Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wishing you all a very happy new year. In this video, we are going to see the basic concepts of taxation. In simple terms, how income is required to run a household. Similarly, government requires revenue to run the country. Tax is of two types, direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax is something which is collected from the individuals and companies. The liability will be falling on the same person and that cannot be passed. For example, income tax. Indirect tax is collected from the manufacturers and sellers and the liability is passed on to the end consumer. For example, GST. We are charged GST for the goods or services that we utilize. Under direct tax, income is assessed under 5 heads. Income from salaries. All the salaried employees' salary and their perquisites will be covered under this head. Next, income from house property. If you are owning a house property, the rent collected from the house property will be your income from house property. Third, income from business or profession. If you are an entrepreneur or a professional, the income will be under the head income from profession or business. Fourth, income from capital gain. In case if you sell a property, building or land or shares, the stocks, the income, the profits earned will be under income from capital gains. Fifth head is income from other sources. So any other income which is received other than the 4 heads will be covered under income from other sources. For example, interest on savings bank account, dividend, etc. Income will be assessed under these 5 heads and the total will be derived. So this total is called the gross total income. On this gross total income, deductions will be made. In income tax, you need to know two terms. One is exemption, another one is deduction. Exemption is something which will not be considered as a part of income. So that is called exempted income. For example, agricultural income. Second, deduction. Deduction is something which is made on the gross total income, which is considered on the gross total income, and the net taxable income is derived. There are various deductions the Income Tax Act provides. For example, it starts with insurance, investments, medical expenses, donations and other schemes by way of reducing the income. Next, what is rebate? Rebate in simple terms is that government is waiving off the income tax on your income. So this is applicable to all the individuals who are resident in India and whose income is below 5 lakhs. Now we have seen what is direct tax, what are the 5 heads of income, how gross total income is derived, then deductions are made and then net taxable income is derived. Next two terms that you need to know is financial year and assessment year. The income earned during this financial year will be assessed in the next financial year. Yes, so only after completion of this financial year the income can be assessed. So the assessment is made in which financial year? In the next financial year, in the following financial year. The following financial year is called the assessment year.